Hi, welcome back to the another vlog. तो आज का वीडियो ना बहुत फनी होने वाला है। हम लोग ना आज कार्बी लैंग्वेज और दिमासा लैंग्वेज ट्रांसलेट करने वाला है। सो आप लोग बने रहना वीडियो में, लास्ट तक देखते रहना, ओके? सो आप लोग सब देखने मिलेगा। So start begin ना from past you say. Okay, start begin from past.
What kari?
Kopi anlo. In Dimasa language.
Just you ask me everything this.
Kopi ahanlo.
Yes, right.
Nadi samlai. In
It's
Dimasa.
in Dimasa. You have to ask me English. Right, in Dimasa.
Okay, what kari? You say in Dimasa.
Nadi Samlai.
Okay, correct.
Where are you from? You have to translate to Karbi.
Konat penlo.
Yeah, right. You have to
Correct.
translate.
Where are you from?
See, you have to translate with Dimasa. See.
Ning Barani.
No, it's Banana.
Okay. Where are you from?
Ning Bara Hani.
Okay, that's your accent.
How are you? This one. How are you?
Kopi.
No. How are you?
Yeah, kopi abita lo.
Oh yeah, yes, correct. Oh yes, yes.
Kopi abita lo.
Yes.
Okay. How are you?
Ning Behadi Jadu.
Bidehe jadu.
Yeah.
Ning.
Bedeha Jadu.
Yes, correct. Let's go another topic.
What is your name? What is your name?
Yes.
You have to say with Karbi.
Ning men kopi lanto.
Nang men kopilo.
Oh, nang men kopi lo. Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Yes. What is your name? Yes.
I will translate with Dimasa Nini Gumu Nadi. Means what is your name?
Yes, correct. Okay.
How
Next.
old are you?
Okay. Nang ata konlo.
Yes.
Correct. Okay. How are you? How old are you?
Balai Maitai Jaka.
Correct, but it's not.
What is it? Balai.
Bilai mai thai jaka.
Balai Maitai Jaka.
Mai thai
Balai Maitai Jaiga. Jaga.
jaka.
Jaka. Then you write it in.
Next question. Not question. I am from Dimasa.
Yes, you have to translate with Karbi.
Okay. Ning Dima Nangki Dima Hasau Pin.
Then na ini kini.
Niki Dima Hasau Pin.
Yeah, right.
Thank you.
You Thai. Just ask me from the
I am from Dimasa. I am from Dimasa. Say in Dimasa language.
Ang Karbi ang long ni. Ang Dimasa ni.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Next another topic is
Good night.
Good night.
Yeah.
In Karbi.
Yeah, you have to say with Karbi.
Ning Jang Po.
What is name then?
Make Jang Po.
Yes, you have to go for Karbi.
Make Jang Po.
Yeah, correct. It's good.
Correct.
Thai.
Okay, good night. You say in Dimasa.
Hamba Hor.
Yes, correct. Exactly. Good morning.
You have to say with Karbi good morning.
Adep kami.
Adap Kime.
Adap kami.
Yeah.
Yes. Say good morning, Dimasa.
Hamba Purong.
Yes, correct. And good afternoon.
You have to say with Karbi. What is good afternoon with Karbi? Say.
Anarlo kami.
Kime. Yes.
Anarlo
Kime.
kemi.
Yes.
Anarlo kemi.
Kime.
Okay. Good afternoon. You have to say Dimasa.
Hamba Sanjar.
Yes, correct.
Have done your breakfast?
Okay. In Karbi.
Yes.
Enso et loma.
An.
Anso et loma.
Not show. An.
Anso
Et
et
Loma.
loma.
Yeah.
Anso et loma.
Yeah,
Correct.
correct. Answer Loma.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Have your breakfast. You say in Dimasa.
Makam jika.
Yes, makam jika.
Makam jika.
Yes, correct.
So I'll ask you again some question, okay? Example, you are so handsome, Sitonjit Waringsa.
Nong nang aji langme o
Yes.
setanjit waris.
Yeah, Sitonjit Waringsa.
Correct.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, thank you. Okay. You are so handsome. You say Dimasa.
Okay. Ning him si ning majang bi.
Ning him sinik majang bi.
Majang bi.
Say ning him sinik.
Ning him si ning majang bi.
Yes,
Majang bi.
correct. Majang bi.
Majang bi.
Yes.
It's little hard.
What's this one?
I'm suffering. You have to translate with Karbi.
Nipu keso.
Right, it's perfect.
Thank you. And I'm suffering. Dimasa.
Ang limdu.
Ang.
Limdu.
Yes. And
Tomorrow I have to go haflo.
nipani dam anglo haflo.
Where Nipan's where? P, that's what P.
Ninap ni.
What? Just you say.
Yes. Ninap ni dam nanggo.
Dam po. Dam nang po.
Ninap ni
Dam nang po.
dam nangpo.
Yes. Dimasa.
Dimasa.
Mm.
Yes.
Correct.
Thank you.
So
And then
You have actually I have to go tomorrow.
oh yeah, I have to tomorrow. I have to go.
Difu, right?
Yeah.
Ang dangkana tangma difu.
Yes, correct. Ang dakna.
Ang dakna
Dipuha tangma.
dipuha tangma.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Haflong is so beautiful day. So you have to translate with Karbi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Haflong ke langme ping edam. Correct.
Haflong
ke
langme
langme
pik adim.
adim. Haflong ke
Just to see here.
haflong.
Just to see here.
You said
Off video.
no, it's haflong ke.
Just to see here.
Okay, it's okay. Haflong ke
Yes.
langme ping edam.
Where ping PIN case na only PIK na.
Ping edam.
Not DAM, not DIM na.
Karbi Anglong is so beautiful place.
Him si ning majong bi Karbi Anglong jaga.
Okay, correct. Exactly.
I'm pro. That's right. So I'm Dimasa. So you have to translate with Karbi.
Ni ki dimasa.
Yes, it's good. It's correct.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Let's go next topic. I am Karbi.
so have to translate with Dimasa,
Yes,
right?
you have to translate.
I'm Karbi.
Exactly. And then
Nice to meet you.
chu tong po ning arong to.
Chitong.
Chu tong
Pot ning
ning
arong
arong
lo.
lo.
Chitong pot
Chu tong pot
ning arong lo.
ning arong lo.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. And nice to meet you.
I have to translate with Dimasa, right?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Ningju goron hi him si ning hamjakau ka.
Hamjau ka.
Ning
Ke koron hi hem sining.
Ningju
Hamjau
goron
ka.
hi him si ning hamjau ka.
Correct.
So father means what? Father means what?
Abai.
Father means
Dimasa.
what? We have to
Oh.
translate with Karbi.
Po. Father means po. Yes.
Po.
Po. Yes.
And with from Dimasa is called Abai. So you have to translate mom is what?
Pai.
Pai.
Yeah.
And
In Karbi.
yes, we are, and again have to say for Dimasa is Amai. Sister is what?
Ni.
Sister, yes. So with Dimasa is Abi. So what's it called for brother?
Ik.
Yeah. So
Correct, no?
for how to say from Dimasa is called Ada. So what's called uncle with Karbi?
Ong.
Yeah. From Dimasa you have to speak Aji. So what's called today with Karbi you have to translate.
Pini.
Yeah. So this call from Dimasa is called Dini.
Okay. Yes,
so
correct.
what's called tomorrow with Karbi you have to speak.
Pinap.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. So we have to speak with Dimasa is called tomorrow is Dankna.
Yes, correct. Exactly.
Yeah. So day after tomorrow is called what?
Ninap. Dik.
Not ni. Pi is P.
Ni.
P.
Nipit.
Pi. P-I-N-A-P.
Oh, pinap dik.
Yeah. Pinap dik means day after tomorrow.
Pinap dik.
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
So we have to speak with Dimasa is called day after tomorrow is called Dankna Soni.
Yes, correct.
So thank you means how to say with Karbi. You have to say for viewers thank you.
Choralo.
Yeah. So Jutai.
In Karbi language, thank you means choralo.
Chorolo.
Choralo.
Yeah. So that's called
Choralo. Everyone,
Yeah.
choralo.
So everyone, those who watching
He's
this.
Karbi, and myself is Dimasa.
So I would like to tell for viewers, my name is Mr. Minda Rongkar. I'm from Difu Karbi Anglong. So
Yes.
thank you so much for this thank you so much for this watching in this video. I'm from Karbi Anglong, so I have to say for Dimasa it's called Jutai. So I can speak Jutai, like I have to say I love you viewers means how to say I love you viewers means ang ning ke ham jadau
Ham
viewers
jadau. Yes.
ham jadau. Yeah.
Yes.
In here, so those who watching this
This
video,
video,
like, subscribe and comment.
Comment and share.
Share and don't forget it.
Yes, share everybody. Okay.
Yeah, so nice to meet you guys here.
Yes.
And next episode, we will start again on November 21.
Okay.
Next episode is
Bye-bye,
Too Much Heart.
Sakuri.
Okay, bye
Thank
bye.
you so much for
Okay,
watching this video.
Jutai for all.
Chorolo.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.